In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can install the Google Meet app on your laptop. So you want to go to google.com, then you're going to select the Google Apps icon, then select Meet. Then what you're going to do from here is select the menu, the settings icon at the top of your browser. Then select More Tools. Then select Apps and then select Install Google Meets. Now this is using the Edge browser. Shortly I'll show you how to use the Chrome browser. So I'm going to create shortcut and auto login. Then allow. So let's go to the desktop. And you can see that Google Meet is now installed on my laptop. So let's go to Chrome. Same thing again. You want to go to Google Apps. Select Meet. Then you're going to select the settings on your browser. Then you're going to select Cast, Save and Share. Then select Install Google Meet. Select Install to continue. And that's it. So let's minimize. Let's close. And you can see the one that I installed from the Google Chrome. And that's basically it. Don't forget to leave a like or a comment on this video.